do live close to this, Kenan.
Like 5.
It's a cold day at the beach. It's like 60. There's still lots of people and dogs, frisbees and volleyballs. And a wedding or a birthday.
Okay, I think this is a little faster than 80 miles an hour, but I got it. Nope, don't got it. Don't got it.
Oh boy. What are you doing?
I recovered. It's okay. Oh, I'm closer to my destination. Cool. All right, we're jumping the mountain, guys.
Oh.
We're doing it. Come on, you can make. Oh, train.
That's you need more than all-wheel
Come
drive
on,
for
come
that.
on, you can do this. Come on. We're so close, baby. Ah, dude. Oh shit. Okay. Nope, nope, nope.
Hey.
Oh, I tried so hard.
Night.
Howdy. Good night.